So we are at the Chiraan fort in Secunderabad and take a look at this. It is quite beautiful. And Ayush, can you show us around?
Okay.
Okay.
So this is some place where so many people.
Ayush, move the camera slowly, not fast.
Okay. And there are some people, black people.
Oh God! So that's what. If you were to take a look at this thing, it is quite beautiful. Actually, one of the main reasons I brought Ayush here is so that he gets to see this place. And Ayush, do you like this place? Yes or no?
No.
You don't like it? Why don't? But isn't it beautiful?
I want
It is a fort.
to play.
Okay, you want to play. What do you want to play now? The second recording will have only Ayush in it because we've come here for a nice Sunday lunch, and Ayush will play in the next video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.